Question 35. When twice a certain number is subtracted from 13, let the number be x. And twice the number is 2x. Is 2x, that's 2 times x, that's 2x. Is subtracted from 13. Is subtracted from 13. From this first line we've created is 13 minus 2x. The result is less than or equals to 5. The result is less than. If it's less than, then the pointed part is facing it, or equals to 5. This is how we have it. It's less than or equals to 5. It says find the range of the values for the number. So we're finding the range. It's just we have inequality with an algebraic expression where we're looking for x. There are two ways to do it. For us to be careful, we don't want our x negative. Let's take this minus 2x, because 2x owns the minus. Let's take it outside. At this point, this sign is operating like an equals to sign. So it turns to plus 2x. Then the 5, we bring it in. So we have 13 plus 5 crosses the sign and becomes minus 5. The sign is still like this. Then you have minus 2x crosses and becomes 2x plus 2x. 13 minus 5 is 8. The sign still faces like this, and you have your 2x here. Since you're looking for your x, you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. You have divided by 2 and divided by 2. 2 cancels 2. You have x, then the sign is still facing like this. The opening part is facing x. Then you have 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So you have it as 4. We can write as x, having x on the left. But look at this, the open part is facing the x, so the open part should still face the x. Okay, so you have it as this, then the sign. The pointed part is facing the 4, so you still have the pointed part facing the 4. From our options, we have our answer as x is greater than or equals to 4. The answer is D. Method 2. What if at this point, where we have 13 minus 2x is less than or equals to 5, and we want minus 2x on the left, so we have minus 2x, let's read a line, is less than or equals to 5, then the plus 13 crosses over the equals to sign and turns to minus 13. You have minus 2x is less than or equals to 5 minus 13 is minus 8. Now we're looking for x, we're dividing both sides by minus 2. That's the coefficient of x, not just 2. It's minus 2. Immediately we divide both sides by not just 2, but also with the minus. The positioning of the sign changes. It flips to the other side. So immediately we are dividing by minus 2 and minus 2. This minus 2 cancels this minus 2. You have x, then the sign, immediately you've done this, changes from where the pointed part is facing x to it flipping to the open part facing x in this way. Then you have minus divided by minus is plus. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we see that we have the same answer. X is greater than or equals to plus 4 or 4. Note at this point, when you are dividing by any negative, wherever that sign is facing, that inequality sign of less than or equals to or greater than or equals to changes direction, it flips to the other side, and you have this. Then you see your answer is still the same.